How to hide comments on Facebook from friends. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to hide certain kind of comments on your Facebook from your friends but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. You have to tap on the very Facebook application like this and then go to your profile section. After you go to the very profile section, now you have to scroll down and you have to scroll down until you find the very post on which you would like to just hide the comment of. After that, you can tap on that and you can tap on any of those comments that you would like to just hide and which you find some irrelevant. And after you tap on that, you can go to the option of hide comment. And after you tap on the option of the hide comment, you can see that the very comment will be hidden from your very profile and it will not be shown to your very kind of friends that are on your very Facebook account. This can be done whenever you find any of the comment a little kind of offensive and you would like to hide it from any of your friends on your Facebook. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.